All right, and staying with the story, we're getting in breaking inputs. We're getting in the reaction of Uttarakhand's Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami. He's in fact gone on to indicate that this was a decision that was already made on 12th of July during a meeting where complaints by Kawadiyas in the past have also been addressed. He's saying that this is a decision only to protect the political, in fact, the choices, the personal preferences of the Kawadiyas, and the fact that identification is being now demanded by all those owners of the eateries who will be providing food to the Kawadiyas has nothing to do with religion. Let's also break down for you what Pushkar Singh Dhami exactly had to say. He's saying that it has been done in view of complaints that have already been received where people hide their identity and commit crimes. This will ensure everyone's identification. We have no intention to target anyone particularly. So clearly, contrary to what the opposition's been claiming, this is a move that the BJP in fact is saying is only to protect their own personal preferences, that is of the Kawadiyas, and only so that it doesn't lead to any kind of political differences between the Kawadiyas and perhaps owners who belong to different communities and all those eateries that are dotting that entire Kawad route which they will be passing. Now remember, interesting to highlight is the fact that till yesterday this was a directive that was only applicable to Uttar Pradesh, but from today we are learning that the Chief Minister has issued a mandate for all of Uttar Pradesh eatery owners to be revealing and sharing their owner, their own identity, only so that the Kawadiyas are aware of it. Let's also listen in to what Pushkar Singh Dhami, the CM of Uttarakhand, has to say.
निर्णय हमने 12 तारीख को ही कर लिया था। 12 तारीख को जब हम वहां पर बैठक कर रहे थे कांवड़ मेले से संबंधित तैयारियों की, उस दिन हमने निर्णय किया था, क्योंकि इसके पीछे हेतु यह है कि अनेक लोगों ने इस बारे में कहा है कि बाद में कई बार बहुत वैसी स्थिति पैदा होती है कि नाम बदल के लोग जो है अपनी पहचान छुपा के जो है दुकान खोल रहे हैं या कोई अन्य कारोबार कर रहे हैं, तो ठीक नहीं है। सबका आइडेंटिफिकेशन होना चाहिए। जो भी है, अपनी पहचान छिपाने में किसी को क्या दिक्कत है? अच्छा है, अगर हम कोई भी काम करते हैं, आप भी हैं, तो आप अपना नाम बता के तो यहाँ आए हैं ना, तो इसमें किसी को क्या दिक्कत होनी चाहिए?
All right, for more details, let's quickly go across to Anshul, who's been tracking this story for us. Anshul, there's a stark contrast between what the BJP is saying and, of course, the opposition also coming up with their own set of accusations that the BJP is playing divisive politics. But having said that, considering this was a directive that till yesterday was only applicable to Muzaffarnagar, we've seen now the UP Chief Minister come up with the same directive for the entire state. How will this now play out politically just before the by-polls?
Well, if you see, this is a thumbs up that has been given by the Uttar Pradesh government to the district administration of Muzaffarnagar, where they had announced that all the eateries should display the name of the property in which food will be served, to all the restaurants from which food will be served to the Kawadiyas. Now, post that, there was a lot of political blame game that has started. This entire decision faced a lot of backlash from the opposition. But now today the UP government has gone a step further, and they have announced that all the restaurants across the state which actually fall in the route of Kawadiyatris, they will have to display the name of the owner. They will have to make this disclosure beforehand as to so that the Kawadiyas could actually make a very, very informed decision. But if you speak to the Kawadiyas on the ground, a few of them have already started to collect water from the river Ganges and taking them back to their homes. They say that there are other bigger issues that they face during their yatras. One of that issue is that the restaurant owners actually try to exploit the situation and increase the prices of food and water. And this is something that they wanted the government to focus on. But yes, the government has asked the property owners to display their names, the restaurant owners to display their names. But a larger question.
Anshul, that's a very interesting point that you've made after your own interaction with the Kawadiyas. But having said that, then that also goes on to say that the decision that's been taken by the Uttar Pradesh government has really not factored in what have been the ground level issues of these Kawadiyas. But having said that, at the same time, the opposition's highlighting that what if these names are more secular, like Bablu or Pappu?
Yes, the opposition is claiming that, but yes, although if you look at the intention through which the government has taken this decision, that intention might be good, but how is it being implemented on the ground? That is a big question. Out here in Muzaffar